Your clients need new aluminum railing. But when you look at the overwhelming number of parts and the complicated installation instructions from most railing manufacturers, well, you'll be lucky if you're able to finish the job before you retire. Instead, take a closer look at Fortress Building Products. Our innovative Al13 HOME aluminum railing is quick and easy to install, unlike the competition, where you have to assemble every single piece. Al13 HOME is panelized and has posts with pre-attached brackets to make installation a breeze. Build with greater strength and less risk of missing parts. Plus, avoid wind chime and other issues associated with component-based systems. It even offers you multiple customization options. Go with a traditional panel, vertical cable, or pure view full glass panels or glass balusters. Plus, 2 accent top rail options. Now your customers will spend more time enjoying their outdoor space, and you'll spend less time building it. And of course, making bank from more projects a year will make you feel young again. Fortress Building Products. Proven performance, smarter solutions.